Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn what is final, finally and finalize. What is the difference between them? This is the most asked question in the interview. Tell me the difference between the final, finally, finalize it and when you are going to use this one. So let's go. See here, final is the keyword. Final is the keyword and final keyword where we are going to use means with the variable we can use the final, and with the method we can use the final keyword, and with the class we can use the final keyword. See here, I have given an example. See here, in x equal to 10. This is the normal how we are going to write, right? So we are using the final keyword here. With the variable we can use the keyword final. So if you are using the final int x equal to 10, it is act like a constant value, means you are not going to change this value. You cannot override this value and you can't change the value of x. See here, if you are using the final keyword with the variable, if you are using the keyword final, then you can't change the value of that variable. Here int x equal to 10. Here if you want to change the x value to 20, you can't change the value of x to 20 because you are using the final keyword here. So that's why you can't change the value here. Final is the keyword. You can make use the final keyword with the variable, method and class. It is act like a constant. You can't change the value. Then if you are using the final keyword with the methods, see here, void, show and this one, it is normal method, right? Here you are using the final keyword along with that method. Then you can't override that method. See here, you are overriding the method sometimes, right? You are extending the class and you are overriding the some of the methods, right? You are changing the body of that method in another class according to your need, right? So if you are using the final void show in the one class, then you can't override, you can't change the body of that method when you are using the final keyword. I will explain with an example. We will do it in Eclipse. See here, you can't change the body of that method and you can't override this method, means you are changing the body of that method, means you are overriding the method. Here if you are using the final keyword, then you can't override that method. Let's take here, you can use with the class, right? Class car. Here this is the class car. Normally we are writing here. Here if you are using the final keyword, then you can't inherit that class. Here let's take class car. Then you are having one more thing like RR car. You are having like another one, RR extend car. You can't inherit the car class. You can't inherit the car class if you are using the final keyword with the class. See, this is the main. You declare the while when you are using means to declare the constants, to declare means to prevent the inheritance and method overriding. That time means if you want one variable to be act as a constant in the old class, then what you are going to do, you are putting a final keyword in the variable. Then if you don't want to inherit the class, then you are using the final keyword in the class. If you don't means if you don't want to allow anyone to change the body of that method, then you are using the final in the method. Let's see how we can do that one. I will create one project, Java project. I will give as interview related. Okay, interview related. Okay, then click on finish and don't create. Okay, then here I will close the unrelated projects. Then okay, here I will create one package. So com.interview. Okay, then finish. Then here I'm going to create one class called as final. I will give a triple F. Okay, final, finally, finalized. Okay, then here let's take, we will learn finally, right? We are going with the final keyword. Okay, sorry, we will go with the final keyword. Let's check here. See here, let's go and try to execute this one and we will see practically. So let's go. I will create one class. Then here I will give a name as final keyword. Then public static void main. Then click on finish. See here, I will take one variable int x equal to, I will initialize to 0. Then I'm changing the value of x. Then I'm printing the value of x, then I'm saving here and I'm running the program. Let's see, you are getting a 20, right? You are getting 20. Let's check here. We will give as the final keyword. Final is the keyword we are giving in front of a x, right, while you are initializing the value. So see here, you are getting an error while you are changing the value of x. See here, remove the final modifier of x. You can't change the value of x because it is acting as a constant. Once you have initialized that, that's it. You can't change the value of x. This is a final keyword we are giving in front of a variable, so it is acting as the constant. Once you initialize that one, you can't change the value of the final. So let's go. If you are giving a here final, I will give final keyword in front of class. Then I will create one more class. See here, I will give final keyword and class. Then click on public static void main string of args. Then what I'm going to do here, I am trying to extend extends the final class. So I'm trying to inherit that one. I am trying to inherit the final class, the final key class. Let's say I will remove this part and see here, save the program, and I am inheriting the final key class, right? So I'm inheriting that class, and I will do one thing. I will write and add. Then here I will do one thing, int a equal to 10 and int b equal to 20, then sys out. Then here we will do one thing, 10, so we'll do one thing, a plus b. So what we can do is we will create one more class, then new, then class. I will remove this whole part and save the program. And here, see here, I have created a final key class. Then I have given an see here, I have given a final class and I have written some method here. Then I will come here and I will create one class called as a final key class. Then I'm extending the final key. Then I'm going to do one more. I will create one more class called as a demo main. Then here public static void main string of args. Then here what I'm going to do is I will create a object of this final class. Then final class f c I'm going to give. Then here new. Then here this one, I'm creating the object of this one. Then I will create fc dot, then add. Then here run the program. Let's see what we will get. 30 we are getting here. We are not having we are not returned anything, but we are extending the final key. So here in the final key we are having the add, so it is getting inherited to this class, and we are calling this the add method using, we are creating the final key class, then we are calling this method. Let's take, if you are given a keyword called as the final in this class, final key class we are having, and we are using the final keyword here. See, we can't inherit the final class. See here, remove the final modifier of final key. So if you are using the final keyword in the class, you can't inherit that class. You can't inherit this class, and you can't make use of that class. If you don't want to get inherited that class, so that time make use of the final keyword in the class name. Here you are giving a class, right? So in front of that, make use of the final keyword, so you can't inherit that method, you can't inherit that class. So that's why we are using the final keyword in the class. So let's take, if you are return the final here in front of method. So let's see, you are inheriting here and you are trying to modify that. See here, I'm going to do one thing. I will first remove the final here, then I will come here and void add. Then I'm going to override this one, and I'm going to do sys out. Then here hello, then save this one. You are overriding the add method. Here you are written add, then here you are overriding this one add method, then you are calling the add method. See what you will get output. Let's see, hello you will get. What is the overridden? That one you will get here, because you are calling the final key class. You are means creating the object of the final key class, then you are calling the add method here, right? Whatever you are overridden, that one you are calling. Let's take, if you are written a final in front of the method, see, you will get an error while you are trying to override the method. Remove the final modifier of final key dot add. because you can't override that method. This is about the final keyword. So next we will understand, in the next class we will understand what is the finally and what is the finalized. If you have any doubt in the final, let me know in the comments. See you in the next. Thank you.